In this video, we are going to install the latest version of MySQL on Windows 11. The process is the same for Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, it is not a problem. The MySQL or MySQL server, workbench, shell, and other software is exactly the same for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Open your browser and type MySQL. Here you see the official website of MySQL or MySQL. Many people call it MySQL. Some people call it MySQL. Click on download. MySQL Community Edition and MySQL Enterprise Edition. The Enterprise Edition is fairly expensive. So we are going to download the Community Edition. Click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Something very important, you can download it by clicking on this installer for Windows, but it shows you the old version. You see 8.0.46. But if you click on MySQL Community Server, it shows 9.7.1, and it is also the long-term support, which is much better. This is for Windows, both x86 and 64-bit. Another important thing is that if you are a developer, you don't need MySQL shell, you don't need MySQL workbench. By connecting Node.js or any environment that you are using, Python, C#, C++ or whatever, with the MySQL server, you can do whatever you want. You can create tables, you can create databases, you can see your tables and databases, you can modify your tables, you can do whatever you want. Click on download. Click no thanks, just start my download. Wait for it. You can also click on this folder icon to see it in the folder where it is downloaded, or you can go to the download folder manually. Here it is, the latest version of MySQL server. Double click, click on next, accept the terms, click on next. Now choose setup type. Typical installs the most common programs features recommended for most users, and custom allow users to choose which program features will be installed. Click on custom. MySQL server, and the components are C or C++ header files and libraries. This is the location. I prefer to change the location. Now it will be installed on this folder. Click on next. Click on install. Completed the MySQL server setup wizard. Here you have run MySQL configurator. On welcome page to the MySQL server configurator, click on next. The configurator data directory is this. You can also change it. I prefer to change this as well. Click on next. Config type, development computer, server computer, dedicated computer. Read this information. Based on this information, select the config type. I'm using it for development, so I choose development computer. Remember these names. Probably you will need them to connect it to your server. Click on next. Root account password. Select a strong password. You can also add another user. Remember also this service name. Click on next. Server file permissions. Yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows service. Click on next. You can create some sample databases if you want, but I don't need them, so I click on next. Now apply configurations. When you click on execute, these configurations will run one by one. The configuration for MySQL Server 971 was successful. Click next to continue. Click on copy log to clipboard. Click on finish. The log contains useful information that can be helpful in the future. For example, when you face some errors or issues or problems. If you want an interactive way to create and manage your databases, your tables, you can come and install the MySQL Workbench. Here you have also connectors, connector C++, connector for .NET, connector for Node.js, for Python, for PHP that you can install and use. What you can do with MySQL Workbench, you can also do with MySQL Shell. So MySQL Shell is a command line tool that helps you manage your tables, your databases, and etc. I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have a wonderful day.